fancy
Yeah, he's like working on the upper now.
Yeah.
And some of these, and some of these.
Yeah. And the clock's like going around.
Yeah. And then he drops the pencil and is smoking. He's like, let's look at it so far. Ah, that's it.
Yeah.
What about this one?
Off the path to greatness. I can levitate for less than 2 seconds. At varying heights, at varying heights throughout the process. They might ask you to demonstrate. Oh wow.
How do you make sure that I levitate for less than 2 seconds?
More than 2 seconds is not even interesting at all.
I'm the other Andy Smith. Yeah, I've been looking for you for like. Alright. I was gonna finish up the maintenance. I was
Oh my god.
Guys, sit down.
Presenting the award for 2x2x2 speed solve. Is Vincent Shu. Vincent Shu is a former world record holder in 2x2.
I just wrote something now. Okay. Yeah. Do you even have a memory?
Do I?
No, do I?
7. What was it?
7, but...
Got it! He has a memory. Confirmed.
What am I doing in my daily life?
Right now?
No, I mean when I'm home.
Oh. I don't know. I can't answer that for you.
Is that a question?
But Bobby can. He has inside knowledge.
I mean, I wake up and then I go to sleep.
And you do stuff
With some
somewhere.
things.
What do you do in between those two?
That's what I can't remember.
Because it happens so often. Goose moves.
That's so disturbing, actually. I'm supposed to be awake like 16 hours every day.
What is it? 6:49. Okay. Are you Red QB? I am. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Mike. Mike, nice to meet you. How you doing? Me too. I recognize your face. Yeah. What's a plus? Is it +2?
I think I'm going to skip this question.
Too hard, please guys later. He's right back. Who's announcing this? Tyson, probably?
Oh man.
Oh,
Just do really funny stuff.
He
Tyson
has
just say
an above-
ridiculous things.
And Carrot Anderson, and he has
Oh, yeah, I
an above
should-
average number of legs.
Oscar H. Anderson.
And his other hobbies include getting up and going to sleep.
Still got about important things in the middle.
Do you think I got my name correct now?
Oscar H. Anderson.
F2D U2 L2 B prime U prime R2 B prime L F2 B prime L F2 L U prime L prime D F prime B prime U L B2 R2 L2 F prime.
That was a little early.
In space!
F2 U prime F prime D F prime F2 U R2 L2 D2 F2 R V prime L prime U R2 U2 D F R U L2 V2. Ah, it's an R2! D2? Plus 2, I said V2.
I might have done wrong.
You might F prime D2 D prime F prime U prime F prime D2 U prime L D R prime D prime L prime U F2 L2 D2 B prime D prime B F D2 stop.
They'll figure it out.
So what song should I pick?
Oh, that's the only thing
I'm
that's...
so jealous.
I'm not sure the Pokemon theme song is appropriate.
You get the song, I think it said you get the song only if you're ranked first in the round before the
Oh,
final.
so I could actually pick anything, because I'm not planning on doing that.
But what if you do? Then you'd be like, oh, I wish I picked a good song. No.
The Pokemon theme song.
You're allowed, you already picked it.
I really want that Pokemon theme song.
Do it.
Yep. What was I doing again? Yeah, I expect
I don't know anyone odder than him.
Gloom.
I do.
I'm Stephen Holland.
Yeah.
He's doing something like carrots and vegetables. Even though it's not really moral.
Yeah, let's get this party started. Okay, the 16th seed from the United States of America, Rowe Hessler. And he likes bowling, I would say, much more than moving, right? Yeah. And our 15th seed, also from the United States of America, Andy Smith. Standing tall at 6'6", he shot the rope and he came out as a boy. But good luck, Andy. Reigning U.S. national champion. And the 13th seed, also from the United States of America, Justin Malari.
Date my daughter. Who dances?
United States of America, Kevin Costello III.
Yeah, Kevin!
Kevin Jackson said he can play the trombone.
He said he would name his kid Kevin. Yeah, I asked him.
The 9th seed, Sebastian Bayer.
I get the chills every time.
Sebastian actually has skipped 2 years of school this summer. The 8th seed from the United Kingdom, Brendan Valens.
Dude, thanks so much.
We're notable fact that Brendan Valens was the 2009 world champion.
Not too bad, I have no choice.
17 from Canada, Eric Limeback. Eric decided United States of America, Kevin Hayes. Kevin Hayes is a master solver who knows 0 The 5th seed from the Philippines, Richard Amagar. Richard plays the guitar. States of America, Drew Brad. Third seed from Germany, Philip Weyer. Philip's back is the name of the brother of Sebastian Weyer, Matt Volk.